First things first, gather your materials. You'll need dry tinder, which could be dry leaves, grass, or small twigs. Also collect kindling, which are slightly larger sticks or wood pieces, and fuel wood, which are larger logs or branches. Next, prepare the fire pit. Clear an area free of flammable materials like leaves or overhanging branches. Build a small ring of rocks, or use a fire pit if one is available. Now, create a tinder nest. Form a small nest or pile with your tinder material in the center of your fire pit. It's time to arrange the kindling. Place it in a teepee or log cabin shape over the tinder nest, but remember to leave space for airflow. Here comes the exciting part, lighting the fire. Use waterproof matches, a lighter, or a fire starter to ignite the tinder. Blow lightly on the flames to help them spread to the kindling. Braked. Once the kindling is burning well, gradually add larger fuel wood pieces to build a sustainable fire. This is where you'll start to see your campfire take shape. Finally, maintain the fire. Keep adding fuel wood as needed and adjust the airflow by adding or removing fuel wood to control the size and intensity of the flames. But wait, there's more. Here are some tips and tricks to make your campfire experience even better. Make sure your tinder, kindling, and fuel wood are dry. This makes ignition easier and helps sustain the fire. Leave space between kindling and fuel wood to allow oxygen to reach the flames and help the fire grow. Position your fire pit to minimize exposure to strong winds, which can quickly extinguish a fire or make it difficult to control. Consider carrying fire starters like waterproof matches, fire starter sticks, or lint soaked in wax for reliable ignition, especially in damp conditions. And most importantly, safety comes first. Never leave a fire unattended and always fully extinguish it before leaving the campsite. Lastly, respect local regulations. Follow any rules or guidelines regarding campfires in the area you're camping, including restrictions during dry seasons or in designated fire-safe zones. With these steps and tips, you should be well equipped to start and maintain a campfire safely. Now, go enjoy the warmth and ambiance of a crackling fire during your outdoor adventures.